Page 4. What are the properties of matter? Objective. Identify two basic properties of matter. Key terms. Matter. Anything that has mass and takes up space. Properties. Prop-er-ties. Characteristics used to describe an object. Matter. Look around you. Why do all the objects you see around you have in common? They are all made up of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Mass is the amount of matter a sample of matter contains. The amount of space the sample takes up is its volume. Water is matter. A glass filled with water is heavier than an empty glass. The water-filled glass is heavier because water has more mass than the air in the empty container. If you were to keep adding water to a filled glass, the water would overflow. It would overflow because water takes up space, leaving no room in the glass. Air is matter too. A balloon filled with air is heavier than a balloon that is not blown up because air has mass. When you blow air into a balloon, the balloon gets larger as air takes up space. Number 1. Define. What is matter? Defining properties. How would you describe a hot air balloon? You might say that it is rounded, blue, and striped. These are properties of that balloon. Properties are characteristics used to describe an object. Not all hot air balloons have the same properties. A different hot air balloon may be rounded, green, and dotted. Some properties are not basic properties. They do not apply to all examples of the object. A basic property of all hot air balloons is that they are balloons. Figure 1.4. Hot air balloons have properties that describe them. 2. Define. What is a property? Properties of matter. Mass and volume are basic properties of all matter. Mass is a measure of the amount of matter in an object. Volume is a measure of how much space matter takes up. Mass is measured in kilograms. Volume is measured in cubic units, such as meters. A cubic meter is a cube that is 1 meter long on each side. Weight and density are also properties that may be used to describe matter. Weight is a measure of the pull of gravity on a sample of matter. Density tells you how much is in a unit of volume. 3. List. What are two basic properties of matter? Checking concepts. Number 1. All the objects you see around you are made up of blank. Number 2. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up blank. Number 3. Mass is a basic blank of matter. Number 4. Weight is a measure of the pull of blank on an object. Number 5. The amount of space taken up by matter is its blank. Thinking critically. Number 6. Infer. What is the difference between mass and weight? Number 7. Explain. Why do you think scientists can use the basic properties of matter to help identify an unknown substance?